Birmingham, located in the West Midlands of England, has a rich and dynamic history that spans over 1,000 years. It began as a small Anglo-Saxon farming village in the 6th or 7th century and was first officially recorded in the Domesday Book of 1086 as a modest settlement. The turning point came in 1166 when Peter de Birmingham obtained a royal charter to hold a market, which transformed the area into a thriving market town. During the late medieval and Tudor periods, Birmingham became known for its skilled metalworkers and artisans, laying the groundwork for its future industrial success. The 18th century marked the city's rise as a powerhouse of the Industrial Revolution. With pioneering figures like Matthew Boulton and James Watt, Birmingham became a global center of innovation and manufacturing, earning it the nickname the Workshop of the World. Its industries produced everything from steam engines to jewelry, and its canal and rail networks expanded rapidly to support commerce. By the 19th century, Birmingham had grown into one of Britain's largest and most important cities. In the 20th century, it played a vital role in both world wars as a hub for arms and vehicle production, but suffered heavy bombing during the Blitz. After the wars, Birmingham underwent significant rebuilding and welcomed large numbers of immigrants from the Caribbean, South Asia, and Africa, transforming it into one of the UK's most multicultural cities. The late 20th and early 21st centuries. Birmingham's most defining historical legacy is its central role in the Industrial Revolution, which began in the 18th century. Unlike northern factory towns focused on textiles, Birmingham specialized in metal goods, small workshops, and mechanical innovations. It earned the nickname the Workshop of the World due to its vast output of goods such as buttons, buckles, guns, steam engines, jewelry, and tools. This decentralized industry, known as the Birmingham toy trade, made the city incredibly productive and adaptable. Matthew Boulton, entrepreneur and manufacturer, founder of the Soho Manufactory, 1765, one of the world's first true factories. James Watt, engineer who improved the steam engine. He partnered with Boulton in Birmingham. The Lunar Society, a group of Enlightenment thinkers who met in Birmingham and included Boulton, Watt, Erasmus Darwin, Joseph Priestley, and Josiah Wedgwood. Their ideas contributed to major advances in science, manufacturing, and society. From the 17th century, Birmingham became a major center for the production of firearms and military goods, supplying weapons for British and colonial forces. By the 19th century, the Birmingham Small Arms Company, BSA, became one of the largest arms manufacturers in the world. The city also excelled in engineering and precision manufacturing, later producing bicycles, motorcycles, and eventually cars, notably through the Austin Motor Company founded in nearby Longbridge in 1905. The Birmingham Bullring's history stretches back to the 12th century, with the area serving as a marketplace and site for bull baiting, evolving into a prominent shopping center in the 1960s and undergoing significant redevelopment in recent times. Birmingham was granted the right to hold a market in 1166, and traders gathered in the area that would become known as the Bullring. In the 1960s, the area was redeveloped into the Bullring Shopping Center, a large indoor shopping mall, which was considered revolutionary for its time. The Rotunda, a prominent landmark in the Bullring area, was designed as part of the 1960s redevelopment and initially planned as a 12-story building with a rooftop restaurant, cinema, and creche, but the final design was a 25-story office. The original 1960s Bullring Shopping Center was demolished in 2000, and the area was redeveloped into the modern-day Bullring, a large retail complex surrounding St. Martin's Church. The current Bullring is a major retail destination in Birmingham, with a space-age design and a Selfridges flagship store, and is a symbol of the city's strength and resilience. A bronze bull sculpture representing the city's history and symbol is located in the square at the base of the rotunda. The Bullring Indoor Market, located on Edgbaston Street, has a history dating back to the 13th century, with excavations revealing leather tanning pits. Why is the Bullring in Birmingham called that? In the 16th century, a man called John Cooper was given the right to bait bulls at a site opposite St. Martin's Church. This became known as the Bullring. By the early 19th century, the area around St. Martin's had become crowded with old buildings, narrow streets, and trader stalls. What is the purpose of a bullring? Nose rings are used to control bulls and occasionally cows, and to help wean young cattle by preventing suckling. Nose rings are used on pigs to discourage rooting. Some nose rings are installed through a pierced hole in the nasal septum or rim of the nose and remain there, while others are temporary tools. Why is Birmingham linked with bulls? Now a symbol of pride, the bull has been associated with Birmingham's identity since the 16th century, when permission was granted to bait bulls on a green near St. Martin's Church. This heritage was further established with the construction of the city's popular Bullring shopping center in the 1960s. Lawrence Broderick, FRSA, June 18, 1935 to April 18, 2024, was a British sculptor. His best-known work is The Bull, a public sculpture erected in 2003 at the Bullring, Birmingham. The bull is about 4.5 meters long, about 220 centimeters high, and weighs about 6.5 tons. Ozzy the Mechanical Bull, originally known as the Raging Bull from the Birmingham 2022 Commonwealth Games opening ceremony, is still in Birmingham and is now a permanent fixture at Birmingham New Street Station. Birmingham City Council is the local authority for the City of Birmingham in the West Midlands, England. Birmingham has had an elected local authority since 1838, which has been reformed several times. Since 1974, the council has been a Metropolitan Borough Council, a type of unitary authority. Birmingham City Council is comprised of 101 councillors. The Labour Party currently has the majority of councillors and runs the council. The building was completed in 1879 and cost £163,000. Birmingham is the largest local authority in Europe and the UK's second city. Birmingham's history as a significant urban and commercial centre dates back to 1166, when a market charter was granted, evolving from a small settlement to a major city known for manufacturing and industry. Birmingham, second largest city of the United Kingdom and a metropolitan borough, in the West Midlands metropolitan county. It lies near the geographic center of England at the crossing points of the National Railway and motorway systems. Broad Street is a popular area in Birmingham, known for its vibrant nightlife and entertainment scene. Located in the city center, Broad Street is home to numerous bars, restaurants, and clubs, making it a hub for those looking to enjoy a night out on the town. Aside from its bustling nightlife, Broad Street also boasts a range of hotels, shops, and attractions, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists alike. The Birmingham Repertory Theatre and the International Convention Center are also located on Broad Street, offering a variety of cultural and entertainment options for visitors. In addition to its entertainment offerings, Broad Street is also a hub for business and commerce, with many companies and organizations having offices in the area. This mix of leisure and business makes Broad Street a diverse and dynamic part of the city. Overall, Broad Street is a lively and vibrant area that offers something for everyone, whether it's enjoying a night out, exploring cultural attractions, or conducting business. Its central location and array of offerings make it a key part of Birmingham's social and economic landscape. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next video.